Friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Well, in today's video I will show you how I am going to use this fruit basket. You just need to pay 15 rupees and get it easily in the market. We need to take this sandpaper and rub it nicely on this fruit basket so that it will give us smoothness before painting. Now take this oil painting to add it in this Asian paint. Take a brush and let's start it. Now take a varnish and apply it on this paint because varnish will protect this paint from water and give a shine. Let's start assembling everything as shown in the video, and you can go for any pattern. It's all depend on how you want. I will show you with this 3 fruit basket and a 2 fruit basket. first design aid is ready. You can use this for any purpose, like as you can see in the video, I have used it as a shoe rack to decorate your entrance. This is the second pattern. I have used two fruit basket to do this. Thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting. Bye bye.